Hello everyone and welcome back to another how-to tutorial. In this video I will show you how to mute conversations in Gmail. If you're part of an email conversation that's no longer relevant to you, mute the conversation. Muting keeps future responses to that thread out of your inbox so you can focus on important messages. In Gmail, select the conversation you want to mute. Click More and select Mute. After you mute a conversation, it's removed from your inbox and archived. You can still see the conversation in all mail with a muted label applied. In Gmail, choose one of these options. In the search box, type is:"muted". Your muted conversations appear with a muted label. Select all mail on the left. Your muted conversations appear with a muted label. In Gmail, open the email and choose one of these options. Click Remove X next to Muted. Select the email and click More and then Unmute. You have been watching a how-to tutorial from David Reilly. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. To receive notifications about every new video, you can also turn on the notifications bell by clicking or tapping it. You can also leave a comment down below. Your ideas and suggestions are always welcome. Until the next time, take care everyone.